This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, girls. Good evening, all. My voice is audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in the previous class, I was discussing with you advanced filter. So today concept what? Text to columns, girls. Okay. Girls, here names and then mobile number, it is in one column or it is in separate column? Is it separate? It is in one column.
Ma'am, in one column.
One column, ma'am.
Yeah, it is in one column. So what I want to do means the name has to be comes in the different column. The mobile number should be in another column. Means I want to segregate this data. How to segregate this data? We had to select this one. We had to go for text to columns. Say delimited and then fixed width, the option is there. So automatic if you want, you have to go for delimited actually in the Excel. Fixed width if you want, see here, select the fixed width and then go for next. Here you have to do it like this manually. If you go for manually, it will not happen properly. Okay, na? See, it will be going to show you like this. If I go for finish, see, is it proper data now? It's a proper? No. So what we had to do, we had to go for Control Z again, text to columns. So I want to go for delimited, means for automatic fixed width. If I go, I should be do it myself. Okay, just go back, girls. Which one I should take for automatic segregation? So delimited, select the delimited, go to the next. Actually, your data is separated with which symbol? Which symbol, girls? Comma. Okay. So you had to untick on tab, you had to select comma. If any, see if I give comma, then automatically your data will be separated. The names will be in other column, mobile number, it will be in another column. Okay. If any or other symbols, if it is there, you can go for the option other. You click on other and then you can mention your question mark or any slash or any symbols. If it is there, you should mention it. But here comma already it is given, no? So select the comma. If I give comma, automatically your data will be separated. Go for finish. So now you double click on this G column. See, now the data has been separated, right? Segregated, no? The previous it was combined with comma. Now it is aggregated in the different column. The names it is in one column, mobile number it is in another column. Okay. The next one, girls. You got it? I'm going for the next concept.
Yes, ma'am, got it.
The next concept is flash fill. Okay. Shortcut key for the flash fill, Control E. See, I'll show you. See girls, the first name it is in other column, and then last name it is in another column. So what I want to do, I want to combine in this column the last name and then first name. I have to combine in this column. Okay, I means Geeta Kumari, Shiva Kumar, Hari Priya, Dinesh Kumar, Nitya Kumari. Like that, I want to combine both the names, first name and then last name, in this column. How to do that? You have to first cell is the, you have to feed this, give the name, first name Geeta space Kumari, enter. See the first name we had to give it here. Then if I drag now, it won't come. The repeated names only coming. Geeta Kumari only it is coming. Okay. So Control Z, undo. So don't want to drag it here. So feed the first name, select the data like this, means the blank cell. Select the blank cell here. Click on flash fill, or else you can press Control E also. Okay, see automatically fill in values. So I should click on here. If I click on flash fill, automatically first name and then last name will be combined in one column. See, got it now from the flash fill? What you can do it? So now you forget of this. Now I want to segregate this. The first name should be in this column. The last name should be in this column. See, if I drag this, only the repeated things will come. So what I want to do, don't want to drag it. So Control Z, just select the name along with Geeta. Control E you have to press, flash fill. The same thing you should do it for the next also. For the last name, select this along with Kumari, you select this blank cells and then click on flash fill. See, first name, last name are segregated. Means what you understood from the flash fill, girls, what you can do from the flash fill?
Ma'am, we can segregate and also combine the data.
Yeah, you can combine and segregate the data. Both we can do it, girls. Okay. Yeah. The next concept, remove duplicates. What is the next concept? Remove duplicates. Hmm. Mobile number. Girls, here in this column, there are mobile numbers. Okay, now. Mobile numbers are there. Some duplicate mobile number also it is there. Okay, see, I'll highlight that. Here it is there, here it is there. See, wherever I highlighted with the red color, those numbers are duplicate mobile numbers. What I want to do, wherever duplicate mobile numbers are there, so what I want to do, I want to remove that. Wherever duplicate values, duplicate number or duplicate data, if it is there, you can delete off. Okay, you have to select these data. Go to the data tab. Here there is an option remove duplicate. See what it is showing here. Delete duplicate rows from a sheet. From a sheet, it will delete the data. Okay, just you click on here. sorry, you select the data properly, remove duplicates. Along with heading, you select. Yeah. So now see the heading has to come mobile number. In the mobile number, in this column, I have to delete the duplicate one. Just OK would do. See the message here. How many duplicates values are removed? 5 duplicate values are removed. Three duplicate values are removed, but here 5 unique values are remain. One is there. Remaining 3 mobiles number removed. Understood now? Got it right? Again, Control Z. See, here I am going to mention names. Geeta, Suma, Uma, Usha, Chaitra. Now you select the whole data like this. You select whole data. Go for the remove duplicates. So from which column you want to remove? From the names column you want to remove duplicates, or from mobile column you want to remove the duplicates? Which one I should untick on this? Both are selected. Both columns are selected. Which one I should untick on here? Unselect I want to do. The names, untick on names. From the mobile number only I should remove the duplicates. Okay, you do. See, if I do like that, the names also cleared. See, the previously it was some names that are names also not showing here. So then what should I want to do? Control Z. I don't want to remove the names. I want to remove only the mobile number. Okay, from this column, from the F column, from this data, I want to remove only the mobile number wherever duplicate is there, not the names. So you should select along with the heading, you select. Again, you click on remove duplicates. Read this option, all of you. What is this option? It is which option I have selected here. Continue with current selection. I should continue with which selection? Current selection. Remove duplicate. Click on OK. OK, you do. See, only mobile numbers are removed, not the names. Understood, girls? Yes,
Yes,
or
ma'am.
no? Hmm. The next topic is data validation. I prepared already the data I have. See here, employee names, employee ID, department, salaries, age, then they are working in which company. So for them, I want to give the bonus. Bonus, I want to bonus amount, I want to make the entry here. Okay, bonus amount should be 500 to 1000. This is what the bonus amount is. I had to give it here. Okay, less than 500, I don't want to make the entry. More than 1000, I don't want to do the entry. Only between 500 to 1000 rupees, I had to give it here. Whoever seniors are there, for the seniors, I'm going to give 900, 1000, 800 like that. If any freshers, juniors, for them, 500, 600, 650, 700 is last for the juniors. From 800, 900,000 for seniors. Okay, so like that I have to give this data here, means I want to make the entry. Actually, why I want to use the data validation means the data validation which will helps you prevent the mistakes. Okay, while doing the entries or making the data entry, so that will helps you to make means mistakes. It helps to prevent the mistakes, girls. It will avoid the mistakes. That's why I'm using what? Data validation. Okay, so my what should I want to do? The bonus amount has to be make the entry here. The condition is what? 500 to 1000. You had to select this column, click on data validation. In the settings, you had to select whole number. Which one we had to select? Whole number you should select. If I take here whole number, then your conditions will be between, not between, equal to, not equal to, greater than, lesser than, everything you will get. So for my condition, what should I want to take? Which data I want to take now? Not between or between, greater or lesser, which one I should take? For this data 500 to 1000, which one I should select, girls?
Between.
Between, good. So I have to select here between. Minimum bonus has to be given here 500. Minimum means less means 500. Maximum means 1000 rupees. And then girls, I am giving the message. Go to the input message while making the entry, while giving the input. To display the message, you have to give it here. For example, I am going to give here bonus amount. Bonus amount. Input message I am giving bonus amount between 500 to 1000 only. The message. While making entry, if you make any mistakes here, that message also we can give it here. Go to the error alert. Invalid. What I can give? The title of the error message, invalid. See. In error message, please make the entry valid, or whatever you want, you can give the message. The title of error message, invalid, please make the entry valid. Okay, you do. See, now input messages are showing now. See here. If I keep the cursor on other cells, it will not come, that input message. So if you want to get that message, input message, where should I want to keep the cursor? Only in the bonus column. Only for the bonus column, I have applied this one, okay, data validation, not for the others column. See, if I keep the cursor in this column, then you will get this message, bonus amount between 500 to 1000 only, or whatever you want, the message you can give it, girls. Okay. See, I am giving here 500. Is a fresher. Anu is a Anu. She is a fresher, so that's why 500 I am giving. It is accepted. 550 if I give, it will accept. 499. Just only 1 rupee is less for 500. Only just 1 rupee. If I give 499 for Asha, if I press enter, see what is showing for you? Invalid. Please make the entry valid, like this. So means if I give any wrong data, it will not accept. That's why I'm telling you data validation, which will helps you to prevent the mistakes. Okay. It will not accept. So you have to cancel it and then you have to give the other entry. 500 you give, it will accept. 650, 600, 800, 850, 963, 789, 1000. So for this, I'm giving extra 0. Only one extra 0, that's all. So okay, for the Shiva Kumar, I am giving here only extra 0 I am giving, that's it. Means 10,000 amount, actually that is. Actually the bonus amount is what is the condition we have given in the settings, 500 to 1000. But here 0, one only extra 1 0 is there. Means the amount is 10,000. If I enter, it will not accept, girls. It is showing error message, means we have made mistakes. So what I want to do, cancel it and then give the other entry. 1000 you give, it will take. $456 it will accept? No, no chance. Go to the cancel. See, all data, whatever the data entry I have done, everything is perfectly correct. Is there any mistakes here? Your value between 500,000 only it is there, or any more than 1,000 or less than 500 it is there in this column, in the bonus column?
Ma'am, every data in the column is between 500 and 1,000.
500 means the data entry it is correct, or any invalid data is there?
Ma'am, it wouldn't let us enter invalid data.
Actually, it will not allow to make mistakes only. Then how can I give the mistakes things? Yes or no? Means this is perfectly, the data entry is perfectly all right, right? All right, no? No mistakes, nothing. Okay, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So before only we can take the precaution like this. So now what I am doing, so now I am going to clear this. Okay. 1 second, girls. So I'm clearing this, whatever the things I have done it, I'm going to clear this one. Again, go to the data validation. There is an option here, clear all. Click on clear all. Whatever the condition we have set it, everything will be going to clear now. Okay, Ugdi. See now, if I keep the cursor, no input message, nothing. Any input messages or displaying on the cell? No. So now you can give 100 rupees, 10 rupees, 5 rupees, 6 rupees. And then here I'm giving 4,000. Here I'm giving 5,000. See, now it is allowing to make the mistake, girls. Why now it is allowing to make the mistakes? The data validation, it's cleared or not? It's clear. Whatever the settings we have set it, that everything it's clear now from the clear option.
Yes, ma'am.
So now, girls, what I want to do means I want to find out the invalid data in this column, in the bonus column. What I want to find out now, wherever invalid data is there, that data I want to find out. How? See, I'll show you. You select the bonus column, click on data validation. Again, go for the settings here. In the settings, again, I should select whole number. Between, you take between actually. Minimum bonus is 500. Maximum bonus is 1,000. And then go to the input message. You give it the different way now. Valid data. Title is validate. Your entry must be 500 to 1,000 only. Next one, go for the error. Here I am giving wrong. You are giving you are giving you're giving you're giving invalid data.
Ma'am, what
Make
is the
sure.
style?
What, ma?
What is that style column? It's a
This
stop
one, ah?
something. Yeah, what is
Yeah,
that?
that will stop the invalid data. The symbol will helps you to stop the invalid data entry. This
Okay,
one.
ma'am. So that is
Otherwise,
there to customize this.
This is customized. If you want, you can
Okay.
show it as warning also. It will show
Okay,
you
okay,
warning
ma'am.
symbol like this. With information, if you want, you can show the symbol like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Stop is there, no, very strictly, it will not allow you to make the invalid entry. That's why I'm taking here stop symbol. This is stop. Okay, now. The title is what it is given here wrong. Error message what it is given. You are giving invalid data. Make sure. Or whatever sentence you want, you can type it here. Click on OK. See, girls, it is showing now valid data. Your entry must be like that. The thing it is showing input message is displaying, but I don't know wherever invalid is there. The condition is given. Everything we have done it in the data validation. Here, girls, drop down list is there, no data validation drop down list. You should click on here, circle invalid data. You click. See, wherever circle is there, that all the data are invalid, means not proper data. So from where you will get this circle one? From this circle only we can find out wherever invalid. So here there is one drop down list is there. From that we can get this circle invalid, or you can go for clear data validation circles. See, from this circle only we can find out wherever invalid data is there. See here 4000. I am giving 800. It will take it, will accept, and then it will remove the circle. So why the circle is removed means because that's means we have given valid data. That's why it is removed. See here I am giving instead of 100,000 I am giving 1000, 1000, 1000, 900, 950. See now everything it's clear. So no invalid nothing. Everything or valid data only. You understood this topic? This data validation topic?
Yes, ma'am.
So now you answer to my question, what is the use of data validation in the chat box? Fast, all of you. What is the use of data validation? Put it in the chat box, girls. I am waiting for your answer. What is the useful of data validation? Why we need to use the data validation? What is the helpful of data validation? Only from one student I got reply. Only from Priya. Ensure accuracy and prevents mistakes. Doesn't allow us to enter wrong data and helps in finding mistake. Good. From other side answer I want. Doesn't allows us to make the entry wrong. Okay. So absolutely correct. Your answers. Good. Good ma. See, I'll be going to show you another example. So in the mobile number, how many digits will be there, girls? Mobile number
10.
10 digit. Okay. Now I want to make the entry of mobile number. Means while making entry, if I miss any one single digit, then it will be 9 or 8. No, it will be invalid only. No. Yes or no? The mobile number has to be give always 10 digit only. So while doing the entry, if I miss any one number, single number, then it will be invalid row, invalid mobile number. No, so that's why I'm going to take precaution. Okay, I means I'm using the data validation. Why I'm using data validation means it will prevent the invalid things. No, that's why I'm going to take now data validation. So just you select one five, 6 rows I have selected. 6 rows I have selected. So now go for the data validation settings. Here, girls, text length is there. No, that one I'll take. In the settings, what should I want to take? Text length. In the text length, uh, equal to you should take. Which condition I should select for this? Equal to. Equal to how much? What is the length? It should be mobile number length 10. The same thing, girls, input message, whatever you want, ma, you have to give it in title and then input message. Error message also, what do you want, you can give it, ma. So, but here in the settings, text length means the condition is equal to length is 10. Okay, you do. See now, if I give 4 2 3 digit, it will not accept. It will show you error message. You are making mistake. You are making mistake like that. It is reminding you. So means I can't give 3 digits, 4 digits. Means I should give how many digits? 10 only I should give it. If I give 10, then only it will accept, girls. Otherwise it will not accept, ma. See here in this row, 10 digits are there. That's why it is accepted. If I give 5 digit, it will not accept, girls. See again I'm giving 9 digits. I'm missing one number, one digit I'm missing. See, this value doesn't match, this value doesn't match, like that it is the message it's coming for you. Cancel it. Okay, see now it will accept. See, if I give 10 digits, then without message, error message, nothing, it will accept. If I miss any single digit or 2 digits, it will not accept, girls. You understood how to make this also? For example, Aadhaar number, it should be 12 digits only. Your mobile number also should be in 12 digits. PAN card number, it should be 10 digits. For making entry, if I miss any letter or then digit, then it will be invalid. No, that's why I want to take the precaution before only by using what? Data validation. Understood, girls? Understood, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then I'm going for the next topic, consolidate. For the consolidate, the data is there. Same students only. For them, I am giving means conducted 2 tests. How many tests I conducted for the students? 2 tests. Test 1 and then test 2. Same students only, but they have got different marks. In the test 1, they have got different marks. In the test 2, they have got in different marks. Okay, but what I want to do in separate sheet, I want to add up both the test marks, test 1 and then test 2 results. I should be find out in one sheet. Means multiple sheet data can be combined in, means I can merge in one sheet by using what? Consolidate. Okay, multiple sheet data can be bring in one sheet by using what? Consolidate. So what I told you, put it in the chat box now, all of you. What we can do from consolidate? Let's see your answer. Are you listening or not? Let's see, girls. You people should alert now. What are the concepts I'm explaining in the today's class that will be important for tomorrow? Yeah, what I told about consolidate, you put it in the chat box now. I'm waiting here. Shreya, Priya. Multiple data consolidation. Multiple sheet data is merged into one sheet. Okay. Only two, Shreya and then Priya, Arpita. Multiple data consolidate. Okay. So you understood the definition, no? Then practically I'll show you. Theory understood, right? See the practical work, I'll show you how to do. They have got different marks only, girls. In the test one, Anu got how much? 78 marks. Okay. In the test two, Anu in the MS Office subject, how much she got? 15 marks. In the first test, 78. In the second test, 15 marks. Okay. So tally this much, VBA this much, and then check it out for the second test of Anu, 5650. Okay. Girls, you have to take a new sheet. Add one new sheet, yeah. See, new sheet is there now. For that sheet, what you have to do means you have to change the name, sheet name. Right click on the sheet, rename. For this one, I'm giving your result sheet. What is the sheet name? Result sheet. Okay. So just apply the color for this. Right click, tab color. Go to the tab color and then select the color, whichever. The black one I'll take. Okay. See, the result sheet, it is in black. Girls, here there are many students. I am going to take only 5 students. Till Edward I'll take, okay now. I am not taking whole thing. Just for 5 students I'll show you. Come to the result sheet. In the result sheet, do we have any data? Anything else in the empty sheet, in the blank sheet? Nothing. We don't have anything here. So keep the cursor in the blank sheet. So go for the consolidate. Click on consolidate. Actually, what do you want to calculate from sheet 1 and sheet 2? I am asking you what I want to calculate from sheet 1 and sheet 2. You want to count or you want to find out average, maximum, minimum,
Ma'am,
product, or what?
excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, did you select both the datas from sheet 1 and sheet 2?
No, nothing. I have not selected anything. See,
Okay, okay, okay.
nothing selected. Just you keep the cursor in result sheet. I have not selected anything. See.
Okay, ma'am.
Come to the result sheet. Your cursor should be in first cell. Where you want to keep the cursor? Don't keep the cursor somewhere and here. Okay. Keep the cursor in first cell in the empty blank sheet result sheet. Clearly understood now?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
hope. Okay. So now consolidate. I am asking you girls from sheet 1 and sheet 2, what do you want to calculate? I am asking what type of function I should select it. Tell me. Actually, what I want to find out. Count I want to do, or addition I want to do, or average I want to do. What type of calculation I want to select here? Function I should select here. Some addition, add I want to do. Test 1 marks, test 2 marks. It should be add in one sheet. So what should I want to do? You have to select sum. Click on sum. Sum is a addition. Okay. Now here reference is there. No, you click on the reference. Now you have to go for test 1. Now you have to select the data. Not before only. Now you have to select the data. See, till Edward, I am going to select it. Only this much I want. Only 4 members. Anu, Anusha, Asha, Edward. Only 4 students I have selected. In case if you want, you can select it, not problem. But I am taking simple method. So I am going to select only 4 members of the student. Come back. So sorry. Selected this. Come back click on add button. Here add button is there, no, you click on here. Again girls, arrow you click, come to the test 2. In the test 2 also you should select same students only. Same students. Which are the students we have selected? Anu, Anusha, Asha and Edward. So till Edward you should select it. Come back, click on add button. The 2 sheets data had been selected and add up. Okay. Now again click on the reference, come to the result sheet. Don't select anything in the result sheet because there is no data, nothing. Don't want to select anything, it is empty. Don't select anything, come back. Okay, so now use the labels. Girls, in the top row, what do you have to give in the top row? Or actually what was there in the top row? The headings, names, MS Office, Tally, VBA. That headings, it has to come or not? It has to come here. Okay, so you have to click on top row, selected top row. And then what was there in the left column? Have you observed in the test 1 and then test 2? Tell me what was there in the left column. I'm asking, have you observed in the data? Left side column, not right side, left side.
Name.
Good, the names. Good, you should click on here. Why I'm selecting all the things? Top row, subject names, left column, names. Actually, why I'm selecting all the things? It has to come in the result sheet. That's why I'm selecting everything. It has to come. That's why I'm selecting here. And then I want to create that source data for this sheet. Okay, so that's why I'm going to select this also. Create the links to the source data. Even this option also I should enable it. Click on OK. See now automatically the sheet result sheet, it's giving results. Total marks of Anu, how much? 93. Okay, just you check it out in the test 1 how much she scored. She got in MS Office 78. Okay, and then in the test 2 how much she got? 15 marks. Just you add up it, just you add it here, some simple calculation you do, equals 78 plus 15, how much? It's 93. Yes, correct. From test 1 and test 2, what are the total marks for Anu? 93. What about in the tally total marks of test 1 and test 2? 141, 115. Like that, the results are announced. Okay. So now I am going for the test 1. For Anu, I am giving out of out. In all subjects, I am giving. All subjects are out of out. And then in the test 2, I am giving 99. Tally also 99. VBA subject also 99. If I go for the result sheet, whatever the changes I made, that will be reflected or it is not reflected. It is updated or not updated. What happened, girls? If I go and check the result sheet, what will be there, ma, in the result sheet?
Ma'am, I'm not sure, but I guess it won't be updated.
Because we have selected option no, top row, left column, create a link, source data, something we have selected, no? So from that option, it is updated. See the marks now. See the total marks. What is there? Of Anu, it is updated. See, test 1 she got out of out in all subject, 3 subject. In the test 2 Anu, she got 99, 99 in everything. Updated. Okay, just you click on the plus button. Here you change the name, give it test 1, test 2. This is test 2 marks. See, it will show you in the test 1 how much she got, in the test 2 how much she got. Again you click on plus button. So just you copy this data and then paste it here. The same thing you should repeat for everything. Select it, paste it. Click on this plus button. Why I'm pressing this plus minus? What is the symbol of plus and minus? Hide and hide. Okay, hide and hide. Hide and hide. Here also it is there. See, show detail. Plus means show detail. Okay, collapse. Hide details. The plus symbol indicates what, girls? Expand a collapsed group of the cell. And then what about this one? High detail, collapse a group of a cell. So you have to click on this for detail. So here also you copy the same thing, then paste it here. So now you don't want to go for the test 1 and then test 2 to see the marks, to view the marks, to display the marks. Here only you can display everything. Anu, this is Anu marks, this is Anusha marks, this is Asha's, this is Edward. See how nicely it is showing here. And then here I'm giving T1 means test 1. And symbol you give T2. T2 means test 2. You select the whole data, apply center alignment, it will be looks good. Yeah, see. So just make it properly of this column. See now, then it will be easy to find out. Okay. Now what you have to do, you should select the whole data and then apply table for this. Come to the home tab, format as table. Which type of table you want? This one you want? Click on this. Okay, you do. See, here you change the heading, give it names. See girls, now how it's looking. Both the sheet data, it is in one sheet by using what? Consolidate. Understood girls this topic, ma?
Yes,
Like
ma'am.
this. Yeah, multiple sheet data can be merged into one sheet. You can bring into one sheet. Means if any test 1 or 2, if you want to view that marks, we have to go for that particular sheet only, or from the result sheet only we can find out what we can do. In some doubts you got, okay. You had to go for test 1 and test 2 sheet only to view the marks of test 1 and test 2, or from the result sheet only everything will be there.
Ma'am, we can view everything from the results sheet itself.
We can view everything from the result sheet only. Don't want to go for the test 1 and test 2 sheets. Good. Okay, girls, I want to find out grand total. Okay, na? Just you keep the cursor on here below the MS Office column. Come to the data tab. Here subtotal option is there. No, you click on subtotal. Click on OK. Okay. Here the table format it is there. No, 1 second. Control Z you do. Yeah. After that I'll apply. After finishing every work, I'll give format. Okay, not now. I removed the format for the data. Okay, later I'll apply. Click on subtotal. Yeah, see for the which are the subject you want to show the subtotal. See, for example, for MS Office, for Tally, and then for the VBA subject. Only for the 3 subject I want to find out the subtotal. Click on OK. See girls, just make them properly. See total marks of MS Office, all students, from the all students, what is the total marks of MS Office? 1068. And then Tally, second subject, 1080. VBA, 1226. Can you tell me which subject is the highest scored in the class?
VBA.
VBS 1226 they have got. Students all majority the students got highest in the VBA subject. Like that we can find out from where? From the subtotal. Where is that option here? In the data tab, last one. Actually two things it is repeated. Anu total, Anusha total. So I don't want to display like this two times. Okay, see every time it is two times it is showing, it will not look good. So here minus is there. No, you click on here, it will hide it. Okay, just to click on minus, it will hide. See, yeah, done. So now I want to make the entry of MS Office subject marks. What I want to do, I want to make the entry of which subject marks? Only MS Office marks. Means I want to hide this 2 columns, D and E column. I don't want. I want to hide that. So you group it. D, E column, you group it. Click on group. See the above here, you will get minus. You click on minus, it will hide. It will hide. Okay. See, it is hidden. No, now which subject marks it is showing here? Only the MS Office marks it is displaying here. Whereas about the rest of the two subjects, it is hidden girls. Now you want to view that, you click on plus. Plus will show you the detail. Minus will be going to hide the detail. Plus will show you the detail. Minus will be going to hide the detail. Got it right? Now you click on this. I'm going to ungroup this. DE, you select it, make it ungroup. Now I want to make the entry of VBA marks. They have given one file. In that file, I want to make the entry of only VBA subject marks. Means I don't want to make the entry of MS Office and Tally. So you have to select CD column. Which columns I should select? CD column. So you have to go for the click on group. See now, click on -1. It will not show you. Which subject marks it is showing here? Only VBA. So why the thing MS Office Tally is not showing on the screen? Answer to my question.
Ma'am, because we've grouped that and the other one together, so we have hidden it.
Yeah, the plus symbol indicates what? The plus symbol?
And hide.
Unhide. What about minus symbol?
Hide.
Yeah. Plus will show you the detail. Plus will show you the detail, show detail. And then minus symbols will show you hide the detail. Okay. I want to display MS Office and Tally. You click on this one and then make it ungroup. CD, you select it. Ungroup, you click. So now we can't hide anything. Means we can't, group is not there. No, we can't do such work now. Now everything is done. So now you should select the whole data, come to the home tab and then apply format as table. So select whichever you want. Okay, would do. See now. So instead of giving the heading column 1, you make it names like this. So now your data will be like this. So now it will be helpful to analyze your data. Easy to analyze, easy to summarize the data now from the consolidate. If I make any changes in the test 1 and test 2 sheet, that will be going to update in the result sheet, girls.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, correct. So understood now, girls, till here. Consolidate. Now you want the break or later shall I give?
Ma'am, now we'll take break.
Okay, you finish off the break and then come back. Then I'll continue the class. Consolidate topic completed. After that, I'll start the next topic after consolidate. What if analysis topic is there? I'll finish off that.
This conference will now be recorded.
So what is the next concept? What if analysis, girls. In the what if analysis, there are three options you have. So scenario manager, goal seek, and then data table. So what if analysis under what all the options you have? Scenario manager, goal seek, and then data table, girls. Let us discuss one by one. I want to add one sheet, ma. I want to take on new sheet. Click on this bless button. So for this one, I am going to take here result. What the sheet I am giving, the sheet name result. Okay. Just change the color, apply some tab color, blue. Okay. The first topic is what? Scenario manager. I have prepared some data here. The total income is how much? 50,000. Assume this is January month. Okay. This is January month. For the January month, I have prepared like this. So for the rent, stationery, telephone, electricity bill, commission, interest, salaries, for these things, expenses we have made. This much of expense we have made. And then total expense and then leftover cash, we should find out, girls, actually. Okay, na? So here total income is this much. Expense is this much. I want to calculate now total expenses. So how we are going to calculate the total expense? By adding, by using function formula. So equals sum, tab key you press, from where to where you have to select the expense. So from rent paid to salary paid. From there to here you have to select. From rent paid to salary paid you have to select. So means the cell range B3 is to B9. Just enter. So what is the total expense of this? Total expense, how much it is showing? 22,519. No, 599. Okay, now. So this much of expense and then this much of income. So now what should I want to do? I want to find out leftover cash. So how to find out the leftover cash? Income minus expense if I do, then I will get what? Leftover cash. So equals 50,000 minus and then total expense. So what are the things I should calculate? Income minus expense. 50,000 minus 22,599 is there, no? That one we had to. So we had to select it. Then enter you press. See now what is the answer? 27,401 rupees is the leftover cash. This much of cash. Okay. So this is for only for 1 month, means for January. The same thing I should be do it for February, March, April, May, like that for 12 months. The income and expenditure statement I had to prepare. So how to prepare the income and expenditure statement in Excel? By using this scenario manager. This is only for 1 month, girls. For remaining months, I had to prepare. Okay, how? See, listen here. 1 second. Here already some data it's there. I'll delete all this. So now, girls, you had to select the income, means the 50,000. Hold it, means select it. Click on the 50,000. Hold the control key. Hold the control key to select expense also. So together, which are the things I am selecting? Income along with expense I am selecting. Okay, hold it and select both. And then now you go for what if analysis. In that, where we have to go? Scenario manager. You click on there. Go to the add button. Scenario name. So for example, I am giving January. Scenario name has to be given here, January. Click on OK, girls. So don't want to do any changes. Let it be same values only. Click on OK. The next one, after January, I have to prepare for February. So you have to go for again, click on add button, give the name, month name, February. Feb you give. Okay, that's enough. Click on OK. So now I want to change the income and expenses. Okay, income and expenses, we have to select it. Sorry, this is for February. So is there every month will be values will be same only, expense income will be same only, girls?
No, ma'am.
No, it will be varies. It will be differs. Okay, that's why for the February month, see, I'll cancel and I'll show you. Again, go to the add button. For the scenario name, what I'm giving February. For the February month, I'm preparing what income and expenses. So it will be changed. So now I want to change it. 85,000 I'm showing income in the February month, and then for everything I'm changing. So press the tab key, girls. It will helps you to go for the next. Tab key you press like this. 5,250 rupees. 7,000. 2,500. Yeah, that's enough. Click on OK. Done. For 2 months we have done. Again, go to the add button. Next month. January, February, March. Next month is March. Click on OK. Yeah, now I want to show for the March month 95,000 income. Then I'm changing the expense also. Okay. Click on OK. So the last one, I'll show it for April. Okay, go for the add button. Again, you have to give the scenario name April. Click on OK. Then for this, you have to change, girls. Lakh, 1,20,000 ma. And I'm changing for everything. Okay. That's enough. Okay, done. Click on OK. See, for 4 months, I have prepared the data like this: January, February, March, and then April. So now just click on the February, click on show button. Is there show button here? Click on show button. It will show you. This is for February. So see, this is what February. Select the March and then show button you click. And then April you select and then show button you click. See. So now what is my question means? It is showing individually, no? But I want all these 4 months report in one sheet. Is it possible to do that? Is it possible to merge? All 4 months data can be merged in one sheet.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I can.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
can do. So that's why what I'm doing, I'm going for summary. Okay, so to view all 4 months together in one sheet, where should I want to go? Go for the summary, girls. In the summary, I have to select something here. What are the things I have to select here means total expense. You select total expense, comma you give, and then after that you have to select leftover cash. Total expense, comma, leftover cash, you should select it. Then click on OK. Yeah. So in the separate sheet, you have got results of all 4 months, all 4 months. Okay. Some edit we had to do it here. See, I'll do it here. How to do? Actually, one repeated column it came. Current values. That is repeated one. I think that is February month. It is repeated. So what you have to do means the repeated one is there. No, you have to delete that column. So how we are going to delete the column? Answer, ma. How we are going to delete this column? This one, the D column, I don't want. There is this repeated one.
Ma'am, we can group it and we can hide it.
You can do, no problem, but I don't want completely. I don't want actually. It is a waste. Already it is there. I don't want permanently. I want to delete. Always remember, girls, whenever you're working in the computer, in the laptop, in the system, so to get options, you had to use mouse right click. To get any option in the software, not only in the Excel, in any software, if you want to get like this options, you had to right click first. Then you had to go for the option delete button. Click on delete. I don't want that column completely. That's why I have deleted. Okay, some information it is there, just you select it and delete off. And then here also some unwanted things is there, delete off. You come to that sheet and then copy this data, control C, copy and then paste it in that sheet. Okay, keep the cursor here, paste it here. Okay, just you double click on like this. And then for this also you copy this and then paste it, paste it. Even for this also we had to do it, girls. 1 second. Ma'am, if you're using laptop, how can we do right click? Hey, touchpad is there, no? The touchpad, it will be mentioned, ma, right click and left click. The touchpad, right click, left click will be there. Even I am also working from the laptop only. Right click, where the right click will be given on the right side hand. From your right side hand, your right hand is there, no? That side, touchpad, it will be given below. Left side is there, no? Left hand side, your left hand side, that is left click. Your right hand side, that is right click. Got it, ma, Arpita? Okay. So now for this also we had to copy and paste it the data here. Go to the scenario manager sheet. You copy this, control C, and then you have to paste it here. Control V. Done. Now I am changing this name, girls. What name shall I give? Income and expenditure statement. Just girls, so you need to select this whole thing and then merchant center you apply it, merchant center. So you can increase the font size also. And then this data you select it off and then apply center alignment and then make them this bold like this. Girls, now you tell me which month income is more, which month income is more, girls?
Ma'am, April.
April, yeah, 1,20,000, yeah, correct. And then income is less, in the which month income is less?
January.
Good. And then total expenses are more, no? Which month is that? In the which month expenses are
March.
more? March. Okay. In the which month loss is there? We have lot of
March.
loss. March. It is showing in negative. See, 57,350 is loss for us actually in the March month. This is the loss. You understood how to prepare the income and expenditure statement, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Come to the next concept. Goal Sigma, next concept. Here I have some simple data, small data I have. See girls, I purchased for my exams scale, ball pen, book and ink pen. So I want to add the value here, means add up. I want to add up this equals sum. Tab key you press, you select from scale to ink pen. From 19 to 22 is the no, you select it off. Enter you press. So now what is the value? 180.31 paise. Means I want to give 180 rupees or 181 I have to give it. What I want to do, girls, tell me.
180.
180 means I should be round off, no? The 31 paise I should reduce or I should increase? 31
Reduce.
paise. Reduce I want to do. I want to reduce the value. How to reduce the value? Keep the cursor on 180.31 paise is the no, you keep the cursor there. Go to the what if analysis, in that you click on here. See, set cell. So for this cell, I want to change. Okay, that's why the cell is selected here. To the value you want to bring to the 180. You want to make it 180. So you have to mention here 180 by changing the cell. Which cell I should be reduce 31 paise? Scale, ball pen, book or ink pen?
Ink pen.
Ink pen. You should click on arrow and then you should select ink pen value. 22 rupees 0.31 paisa is there. No, you select it off that. Okay, you do. Okay, you do. See now value, it is round off for 180. See, now I should pay 180 rupees. See, again I'll show you. Now assume 95.76 paise is there. So now the total is how much? 180.76 paise. Now I should be make it 181 or 180 only.
181.
Yeah, more than 50 paise if it is there, I should be make it 1 rupee. Okay, girls, you keep the cursor on 180.76 is there. No, keep the cursor on that cell. What if analysis goal 6? You have to mention here 181. You have to give it to value is there. No, there. By changing cell is there. No, you click on. So which one I should be take the round off here? Scale or
Ball
bell
pen.
pen, ball pen. You said click on here. Come back. Okay. Okay. See. Now it is 96. Now the value, how much I want to pay now? 181. Got it? Understood?
Yes.
Yeah. The next topic in the data table, sorry, in the data tab, this is the last topic, data table. So this is very simple, easy one. See girls, here 1 plus 1, 2 means I should add up like this. Row, here column, this is column, this is column, B, C, D, E, F. There are values, and then in the 6th row, 7th row, 8th row, 9th row, values are there. Row value, column value, I want to add up here. Means column value 1, row value also 1. 1 plus 1 is how much, girls? 2. Then C column, 2 value is there, and then here 1 is there. 2 plus 1 is how much, ma? 3. I should add up like this: 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 3, 4, 1 plus 4, 5, like that I want to add. Okay, that's why you calculate the value here. Some value it is there, 45 and then 5. I want to add, no, that's why I should use the formula add. Means some function I should use. Equals sum. You have to select 45 and then 5. Enter you press. So what is the value, girls, now? 50. You cut that value and then paste it in the corner. In the corner side, you should be paste it. Control V. Okay. Now you should select whole data like this. That 50 is like pillar. You shouldn't do anything. You don't want to change anything. Let it be like that. Okay. So you along with 50, you should select like this. How you got 50 actually? How you got 50? By adding of
45
45 and then
plus
5 value. Yes. Now you should select along with 50 every cells. Whole thing you should select. What if analysis? So data table. See girls, now what I'm doing. Row input cell is done now. So you had to select here. See, I have selected 45. Even you can select 5 also, no problem. Opposite value has to be select here. Already 45 is selected. Again, don't select in the column input cell. Again, don't select 45. Already 45 selected. Which one is not selected now? 45 selected. Which one is not selected?
5.
5. And then you should select the next one. 5. Opposite value has to be selected. Then only you will get the results. Opposite values. 45 already, if it is selected, then you should select 5. In case if 5 is selected, then you should select 45. Okay. Opposite values are selected. Okay, you do. See the results now. 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 3, 4, 1 plus 4, 5. Like this. See, it's add up. Automatically for these many cells at a time we can see the results. Actually, what is the definition it is telling in the data table? See the results of multiple inputs at the same time. At the same time, I can see the results of multiple inputs. Okay, see the results of multiple inputs at the same time, it is telling girls. So now if I delete this 50, then your data will be gone. No, nothing. See, everything is deleted. So you shouldn't delete that 50. I told you, no, it is a important value. Now you see girls again. I want to multiply. How to multiply is like cross values are there, no? That cross values I should multiply. 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4. Like that I want to multiply. Equals. For the multiplication, which function I should use, girls?
Product.
Good. Select tab key, you press select 45 and then 5. 45 into 5 is how much? 225. You cut this value, cut it and then paste it in the corner side of the table. Now whole data you select it. What if analysis, data table. So now I am selecting 5. I can select 45 also. I don't have any problem. So okay, so first value I selected 5. Even you can select 45 also, no problem. 5 selected. The next one, column input cell. Here I should select 5 again, or 45 I should select. Which one? Already 5 selected. 45. Good. I had to select then the next value. 45. You click. Come back. Okay, you do. See the results now. 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are see. Next one. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Sorted time. At the same time, what we can see? The results. Multiple inputs at the same time. Understood, girls? How to find out multiple inputs at the same time by using what? Data table. Girls, got it, ma? It's a very
Yes,
simple
ma'am, got
one.
it.
Yeah. Come to the next tab, review tab. All are simple tools. It will finish off. See, listen. Here I am going to type. Is it spelling is correct for computer? Is it correct? No, it's wrong. So what we had to do means we had to change the spelling. To change the spelling and grammar, for that in the Excel there is a shortcut key F7. To check the spelling and grammar, there is a shortcut key. Just you click on here, or you can press F7. See here it is suggestions are there. Computer, COMPUTER. You want to ignore this? No, I don't want to ignore this. I want to change. Click on change. So it is asking, do you want to continue from checking of the beginning? Oh my God, no. From beginning, you want to check anything? Don't want. Only for this one, it is required. Make it no. It has changed. Instead of TOR, it is showing TER, computer. Next option is treasures. Just you click on here. See, it is showing many words. Okay. For all the things, the meaning is what? Computer. Processor, CPU, mainframe, supercomputer, workstation, PC, laptop, for all the things, same meaning is what, girls? Computer. So for these words, what is the same meaning, similar meaning? For these words, computer. Computer. You close it off. Next one, keep the cursor outside. So go for the workbook statistics. So what you can find out from workbook statistics, just click on here. It will show you the statistics, means the thing, how many tables are there? No table, 0. Cells with the data, 53. End of the sheet, actually which is end of the sheet. See girls, I'm going to keep the cursor on here, ma. It is in D column. The computer word, it is in D column, and then row it is in 23rd. D23rd. Where I'm going to keep the cursor here? D23. Remember D23. Go to workbook statistics. See girls, what it is showing? What is it? F20, F23. Where is F23? What data we have in F23? Nothing, no. But it is showing like that. It will give you the statistics of this file. How many sheets are there? 13 sheets are there. Cells with data, how much are there? 1330. Table, 2 tables are there. Pivot table 1 is there. Formulas 189 is there. Like that, it will show you the statistics of your workbook, your file. Your file details will be coming to know from the workbook statistics. Okay, click on OK. If any issues is there with your Excel files, if it is not opening, you can use this option, check accessibility. From this option, you can solve the issues. You can solve it your Excel files. If any issues is there in the Excel files, we can solve it from this option, check accessibilities. The next one is smart lookup. Thus, from this option, we can search the definition, images, web pages, and other things. Okay, we can find out the meaning, definition, everything from the smart lookup. Just click on here. So it is searching on computer, girls. Actually, see, ma'am, it is showing you the images. Computer means I don't know how it will be there, but it is showing. And even it will be going to show you the definition, meaning, everything. A computer is a digital electronic machine that you can be programmed to carry out the sequence of the arithmetical or logical operations automatically. Modern computers can be performed generic sets. And then the definition, meaning, everything I'll get from this here. See, so many definitions are there, informations are there. You can find out the definition, meanings, everything on the selected word from the where, from which option, smart lookup. Are you understanding, girls, what I'm teaching you?
Yes, ma'am.
These are very simple tools. Yeah. What about the next concept? It is there, translate. You can translate to any language. By default in Excel, English, but I should be translated to some other languages. Just you click on your translate button. So it's loading. Okay, now so you English to English I don't want. You should change the language option. I want Hindi, girls. You should say you should select it, ma. I want Hindi. So you should select it, and then it will be going to translate to that language. You should select Hindi and then click on here. Then it will translate to the Hindi. So translate, okay, from English to some other language we can do it. Okay, right? What about the next thing? In Excel it is given comments. I'll prepare on small data. Student names, fees balance, fees due I'll give. Okay, now Kiran, Shuma, Isha, Div. The date I'll give, today's date, 20th September 2022. And then I'll drag it out. Like this, I have some data. Okay, now just to keep the cursor on Suma. And means for the tomorrow, she has to pay some amount. Fees balance is there. You can put it in the comment. Means what is actually comment? Add a note about this part of the document. I can add a note on this document, girls. What it is telling? Add a note about this part of the document. Shortcut key Shift F2. Click on here. So here, this is login name. Welcome is login name. Okay, account name. How much she has to pay? 5,000 she has to pay. Div, next one. On 23rd is the due date is there. E has to pay 8,520. And then Kiran, 1,200. Like this, the comments has been given. If I place the cursor on Kiran, it will show you 1,200, 5,000. For Isha, it is not mentioned. Means it is still it is in confusion. We had to verify that. Means we have to check that. Okay. Actually, you want to click on next, click on OK. Next. It will show you one by one. If you want to go for previous, go for previous. Okay, sorry, where is that sheet? Yeah. Next. Previous, like this. So you can click on show all comments. Then it will be going to show you like this. All comments will display at a time. You can hide it. You can hide it also. So select it, hide it, select it, hide it, like this. So now Div, already he paid, fees balance cleared. So for Div, I'm clearing this. The comment I'm removing. It is showing now like this 8,520. I'm clearing off it. Only two students are left over. One is Kiran and Shuma. Kiran Suma has to be pay the fees balance 1,200 and then 5,000. Understood, girls? The comments?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Rotate sheet I taught you now. Beginning only. In the beginning class. Only if I apply the protect sheet only for this sheet, it will be applied, not for the other sheet. Means the sheets can be added. You understood what I told? If I apply protect sheet for this sheet, it will apply, not for rest of the sheet. And then even I can add new sheet also. But from the protect workbook, I can work in existing sheet. See here, so many sheets are there. I can work in that existing sheet, but I can't take new sheet. I can't add new sheet. Remember the topics I explained?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So that is one the concepts. Auto edit ranges, hiding we will not use in the Excel. Next tab, you come to this view tab. Okay. Actually, in Excel, there are 5 views are there. Sorry, four. One is normal view, page break preview, page layout, and then custom views. Totally 4 views. Again, I'll repeat: normal, page break preview, page layout, and then custom views, girls. Okay. I'm going to take the new file. I don't want this. I'm closing this file. I'll take new file. Yeah. The last tab in Excel, view tab. Data right here. Yeah. So now, girls, by defaultly in the Excel, always normal view will be there. By defaultly, always in the Excel, what views will be there? Normal view will be there. Okay, go to the page break preview. Click on that. So you will get one line here like this box. Yeah, that line I can adjust. See, for example, I want to print only this much of things. The first column and then second column. Okay, A and B column selected. So now you press Ctrl F2. What is Ctrl F2? Print preview. If I go for print preview, it will be going to show you only 2 columns. Why only 2 columns are coming to the print, showing in the print? Because we have selected only 2 columns. Only 2 columns are there. That's why it is showing only 2 columns. But I want only this much of data now. 4 rows, 2 columns I want. 4 rows, 2 columns. Again, Control F to use. Go. See, it will be going to show you only this much. Okay. If you want entire thing, you should select it like this. Then Control F to use. See in the print preview, all data, whole data, it is coming to the print. So again, come back to the normal view. In the normal view, we can't do like this, girls. We can't select how much we want for the print like that. We can't select anything. That's why we had to come for the page break preview. And the next one, page layout. Click on the page layout. So here header and footer can be inserted from the page layout. Already I taught this in the insert tab while doing insert tab. But again, I'm explaining you. Here I'm giving the title MS Office. Here I'm giving the today date 20th of September 2022. The next one, girls, scroll it. Here I'm giving your college name, Mount Carmel. Just I'm giving some fake website address, www.mountcarmel.com. Whatever details you want, you can show it in header and footer. After giving the header and footer, you have to come back to the normal view. Come back to the normal view. Control F. See in the print preview. So it is showing here header. Then if I scroll down, it will be showing in the below footer. See? Header and footer can be displayed in the we can add, means we can show the header and footer from the which view, from the page layout. Again, if you want to edit anything, you have to go for page layout. You want to delete this, select and delete. Click delete. Click delete. Click delete. That's it. Again, come back to this normal view. In the normal view, we can't do all search work. Control F2 you press. Now, is there any header and footer for the page? In the sheet, it is there. Again, come back. Understood now? And then from the normal view, we can't do anything. Just we can see the document, how the print will come. But page break preview, how much we have selected the data, that much we can take into the print. Page layout is there, no? That one, what you can do means, what is that? We can add the header and footer for the sheet. Till here you understood, girls? Till here you got it? Hello? Girls, remaining things I'll be going to continue in the next class, tomorrow classes. Some 5-10 minutes it will take. I'll finish off these topics. Macro, switch, windows, so view side by side, trees, fans, arrange also. These options are there. It will take some 10 minutes. I'll finish off this tomorrow, the tomorrow session. Then revision will be there. 10 minutes concepts will be there. Remaining time you will be having revision, girls. Means tomorrow you have exams. I think you have got message in the group now. The
Yes,
group it is
ma'am.
message. So tomorrow revisions will be there. Once you sit and practice the things what I taught you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, in that test, ma'am, is it going to be only formulas or it's the entire thing which we have learned till now? It's 100 marks test, no, ma'am. MCQs.
Yeah, entire thing will be there. What all the things I covered, everything will be there. Everything will be there.
Okay.
The whole thing will be there in the exams. From file tab to view tab, ma'am, for your exams. Just once you recall the shortcut keys while explaining, I told you so many times the shortcut keys will come for the exams. Girls, don't leave the class, ma'am. I'm taking the attendance. Don't leave the, I'm taking the attendance. So don't miss the tomorrow classes, girls. You people will be having exams, ma'am. Don't miss the classes. Don't leave the class, ma. Just give me the 2 minutes time. I'm taking the attendance. Yes, girls, I took. It's completed. Any doubts you have? Okay, girls. Thank you all. Take care, girls.
How
Bye.
much marks exam?
What mark? Exams are questions
Marks, ma'am.
100 marks. For 100 marks, they will conduct online exams only. And then one more thing. Have you completed all of you? The assignments have you sent for the mail?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If anybody not sent, as soon as possible, try to send it. Okay, fast. I hope girls today class you understood. Understood the today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tomorrow 10-15 minutes you will be having the concepts of Excel. Okay. So and then after that I'll start the revision. Only 10 minutes. Simple concepts is there in the view tab. I'll explain and I'll finish up and then I'll go for the revision things. 7 to 8 you people having exams, online exams. Anyways, girls, all the best. Do the exam well. Prepare the thing now itself. Okay. Some questions I'll discuss in the tomorrow class. So shortcut keys, just check the shortcut keys. Print, preview, print, save as. While doing, I explained no shortcut keys are there. So many lot of shortcut keys is there in the Excel. That day, I given shortcut key list also for you. You refer that also. Okay, understood now. Okay, girls, I'm leaving this meeting, ma'am. Bye, girls. Take care.